The word mizo means a man of the hills, a highlander, and most of us live about 1,000 meters above sea level. This is Aizawl, the capital of the Union Territory of Mizoram. Our history is lost in the past, but we are an adaptable people, so it is easy for us to take to modern. It is believed that we emigrated from Burma after a great famine about 300 years ago. It is possible that we originally came from Mongolia. Our ancestors were a tough head-hunting lot. However, the British objected to having their heads chopped off. They decided to subjugate us and introduce us to the ways of peace. That was nearly 100 years ago, at the peak of the British Raj. After independence, we were part of the state of Assam. In 1972, we became Mizoram, with an administration of our own. Our tribal origins are not forgotten, but we like to think of ourselves as a happy blend of the old and the new. Our population is only about 350,000. Our women do not need to be taught the dignity of labor. A housewife will always do her own marketing. Even a so-called servant is treated as one of the family. Snobbery is alien to us, and our tribal history has given us a real sense of democracy.